Hello, Joseph. Thanks for joining Tribe News.
Great to be here.
Now, Tribe announced financial results for the fiscal year and fourth quarter ended December 31st, 2024. This included a big milestone for the company with its first positive adjusted EBITDA quarter.
Yeah, we're thrilled. For those that know what we're set out to do, they'll know that in 2024, we signaled that we wanted to expand our footprint and grow our business significantly in the Ontario market. We made two big acquisitions in 24. One is in the condo space and one was in the rental management space. And both have been incredible and great teams that we've added to the Tribe team. And it resulted in us essentially backfilling in our size to add Ontario in a meaningful way. This obviously resulted in a fantastic record-breaking year for us on the revenue side. We hit almost more than $28 million in revenue, and it's mostly recurring. And then Q4 was fantastic because we had signaled that we are on our way towards profitability, and Q4 essentially was our very first robust EBITDA positive quarter.
Congratulations. Now, prior to your Q4 earnings call, there was a little bit of company activity with an announcement of a private placement and the upsizing of this private placement. Can you tell us a little bit about this?
Yeah, essentially, we are living in a world where everybody knows there's been a lot of turbulent activities around tariff and inflation numbers and all kinds of essentially factors that spook the market. However, they really have very little impact on Tribe's business. And we're believers that we built a resilient and robust business. I've been saying it even from the COVID days. We're COVID-proof, we're recession-proof, we are interest rate indifferent, essentially. These buildings that we manage, like the ones behind me, have to still be managed, and we'll always have a need for superior service like ours. So we looked at each other and the executive team, as well as our board of directors, are believers in the business. We essentially wrote checks to illustrate at a premium of the market, to illustrate our belief in the strength of the business. And we just retired some debt and some payables, and just to kind of make the point to the street that we will put our money where our mouth is.
Now, what can we expect of Tribe Property Technologies for the remainder of 2025?
Well, more of the same, growth. We're very active organically and on the M&A side. We love the position we have right now in terms of the national footprint. We have an opportunity to take products and services that we've either acquired or developed in-house, take those out to other offices and other customers of ours in the rest of the country in different provinces. So you'll see that continued, deliberate, essentially, focus on that. Improvements in gross margins, it's always something that we've looked at. And again, a lot of buildings need our services, and we're coming.
Great. Thank you very much, Joseph Nakhla, CEO of Tribe Property Technologies.